Welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to be all about e.l.f. products. Yes, e.l.f. products, eyes, lips, and face. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you guys about e.l.f. products that I've been loving as of late. I have enjoyed e.l.f. for years now, but there were certain products that I just wouldn't buy from e.l.f. Like, I enjoyed their brushes, and you know, because they were really inexpensive at the time when they first launched. They were like between $1 to $3. But their makeup products, I felt like they weren't necessarily friendly for us of a deeper complexion. Like, they just didn't work, so I would kind of stay away from them. But more recently, I've been trying more of their products and I really enjoyed them, so I wanted to share them with you all. So let's get into it. One of the first products that I have been just enjoying and really loving, and I use this a lot in my routines, is their setting mist. This is the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. This is a good product. It's only $10. It says it's up to 16-hour wear. I really like this product for after you finish your face, for like kind of bringing it all together. So you're not using it as a mattifying product, but it really helps to just bring everything together, bring your look together, and I really like it for that. And yes, I would definitely recommend this. If you haven't tried it already, go ahead and pick it up. As you can see, I'm empty on it, and this is something that I purchased over and over again because I really like it that much. Another product that I've been loving from e.l.f. is their Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I did a complete video on this. I will link it in the cards. But I really like this product. Initially, when I tried it just to use it on its own. I don't like it for that. Watch my video, I get into why. But I like this product underneath my foundation. It really does what it claims to do as far as giving you a glow, and I really like it. I'm actually wearing this now combined with another product, and it just really gives your skin that extra, like, chef's kiss, the extra zhuzh that you want. So I really enjoyed that product. A more recent product that I've been enjoying from them is this mascara. So it's the Lash and Roll Curling and Lifting Clean Vegan Formula Mascara. And it's like this. This was a recent purchase. I picked it up because I'm always looking for a mascara that can grab my lashes, especially my lashes on the bottom. I really like the shape of this particular wand. I think it was about $6, I believe, which, you know, isn't bad for a mascara, but this is the shape of the wand, and hopefully you guys can see it, but that's the shape of the wand, and it really just grabs them and lifts them. And so I really like this. This is a more recent you know, like, development of theirs. This is a more recent product, and it's in this kind of packaging. It has the pink top. Amazing. I really like it. This is something that I definitely will keep in my kit, just moving forward. So yeah, wasn't expecting it to be as good as it is, but I really enjoy it. Another product that was a more recent purchase is their Poreless Putty Primer, and it comes in a packaging like this. I didn't expect to enjoy this product so much. I'm wearing it today and I really like it. Like, I really like it. So there's a reason that the TikTok girlies were talking about this, because it really does the job. It helps, like, smooth out the skin, give you kind of like an airbrush finish, but it's also hydrating, which, if you watch my videos, you know I really love my Milk Hydro Grip, but this is another great product that's, you know, it's coming up there. If you've ever used the Professionals Primer by Benefit, it's similar to that in texture, but it's more hydrating. Like, it's a softer, more hydrating formula. It does say that it is with hydrating squalene, so it has some good for you ingredients in it. The claims are that this perfecting putty primer smooths the skin and preps it with squalene to help moisturize and grip makeup for all day wear. The velvety texture glides all over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect. So you just need a thin layer, and then you have to let it sit for about 30 seconds before you apply your foundation, and you're good to go. So I really like this, and it's about 21 grams, 0.74 ounces, but you don't need a lot. So I can see this lasting you for a while. Definitely would recommend that you grab that. Another e.l.f. product that I enjoy, but I actually don't have it right here, is their Hydro Grip. It's not their Hydro Grip. It's their grip primer. I'll put a picture of it up on the screen, but it's similar to the Milk Hydro Grip. I really like that. I really like how it sits on the skin. And now I'm kind of interested to try them, you know, that primer with this one mixed together, just to see how I like the finish of it. And then, but I really like that primer. It's the one in the blue, it's the blue tint one. So I'll pop the picture up so you guys can see what I'm talking about, rather than having me describe it. And another thing that I like their brushes. Some of my e.l.f. brushes that I've had for years, they have still held up. Even better than some of my more expensive brushes, and that's just a testament to the quality of the brushes that they make. And again, they're really affordable, so I love that about them. Now, like, having liked and really enjoyed some of these products, it's making me want to go more and check out some other e.l.f. stuff to see what else that they have that I might just be missing out on, that I might not have tried yet. So yeah, that's my video for today. Thank you for tuning in. I just wanted to come on here quickly and talk to you about some e.l.f. products that I've been loving. If you like this look right here, I did do a video on it. I will link it up in the cards for you. This was a prep for my anniversary that's coming up. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you. But thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel. It helps get my videos out to more eyeballs. It helps grow the family. And we definitely want to do that. We are almost at 150 subscribers. And I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. I thank you for supporting my channel, just tuning in and supporting my content. It is so appreciated. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the Menu Yvonne TV family. I share beauty, I share lifestyle, and I share inspirational content. So if that sounds like your thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, but make sure you're hitting all notifications so you can be notified when my new videos go live, which is Tuesday and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. But if you're feeling like, Megan, I'm not gonna remember that, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be locked in. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!